and welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can automatically create Google contacts for the new lead received via LinkedIn ads. So here on my screen you can see my LinkedIn ads campaign manager account, and here I've drafted a test campaign under which I'm running a test lead form. So basically my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my LinkedIn ad, then automatically and instantly I want to create a new contact for the same in my Google contacts. So now here to automate the entire process, I will connect my LinkedIn account with my Google Contacts account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So before moving forward, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. And now here to create a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button. Then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says automatically add LinkedIn leads to Google contacts, and then here's asking me to select the folder. So by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. You can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly, and in this case I'm going to select my folder as contacts. And here if you wish to learn that how you can create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, then you can simply click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and as you all know that we are receiving new leads through LinkedIn ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as LinkedIn and my app event as lead notifications. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your LinkedIn account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my LinkedIn account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your LinkedIn account in the same browser, or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for the account credentials first. Alright, so now here after building the successful connection, it is asking us to select the sponsored account. So here to get the sponsored account, let me take you back to my LinkedIn campaigns manager. So here you can see the account that I'm using is with the name Pabbly's ad account. So I'm going to select that particular account over here, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. So here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test lead inside our LinkedIn lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my campaigns manager. Alright, so this is my campaigns manager, and here as you know that I've drafted a test campaign in which I've created a test lead form. So for now we're going to use this dummy lead form to generate a new test lead for our LinkedIn ad. Alright, so this is our ad, and here I'm going to click on this apply now. So this is our lead form, and here it is asking me to add the email address and the phone number, whereas the first name, last name and the company name are the static values. That means these are the fixed values and we cannot change them. So the reason behind this is that this is a test lead form, but if you're running a live lead form, then automatically your lead will be able to add all these details. Alright, so for now I'm going to add the email address as latest@pabblytunes.com. And here for the phone number, we are going to add a random phone number, and then we are going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says information sent to Pabbly. That means we have successfully generated a test lead inside our LinkedIn ad. So let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the details such as email address, phone number, first name, last name and the company name. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then automatically I want to add that lead as a new contact in my Google Contacts. So for that we are going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Google Contacts and my app event as create contact. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Contacts account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking me to add the first name, last name, middle name and some other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that you're going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the first name, we are going to map our lead's first name. Here this middle name is not required field, so we're going to leave it blank. Here for the last name, we are going to map our lead's last name, scrolling little down. Again, this prefix and suffix is not required, so we're going to leave them blank. For the gender, we are going to select unspecified, or you can select it as per your requirement. Alright, so here for the email work, we are going to map our lead's email address. Here these fields are not required fields, so we're going to leave them blank. Same for the company name, we are going to map the lead's company name. We're going to scroll a little down, then here we're going to map the lead's phone number. And after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Google Contacts. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service. Here you can see the email address and the phone number with the company name. So with this, we have successfully set up this entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as LinkedIn and our action as Google Contacts. So that we're going to receive a new lead through our LinkedIn lead ad, then automatically and instantly a new contact for the same will be created in our Google Contacts. Alright, so these were the steps to how to automatically add LinkedIn leads to Google Contacts. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.